Living costs have risen in North America, and many Canadians are finding it harder to get by. Lots of young people dreaming of breaking into the housing market, but aren't so sure if homeownership is affordable anymore. So what can buyers do to ease the financial burdens after they become homeowners? There are unique ways to make homeownership work, but I'd like to look at a very effective one today called house hacking. I'm Sean Ryan and I'm with the Blue Coast team in eXp Realty of Canada, and let's take a look at hacking your home. One of the best things new homeowners can do to make life more affordable is called house hacking, which is a new term for a concept that's been around really for a very long time. So what is the basic idea behind home hacking? Well, to hack something is to alter or adapt it in some way so that it's better meets your needs. In this case, you're altering how your home or your property is used in order to meet your financial goals. And if your goals are to make life more affordable and pay little to nothing out of your own pocket for your mortgage, while saving, investing your money, home hacking might be just for you. So what is home hacking strategy? Well, there is a real potential for ambitious hackers to acquire multiple properties like duplexes, triplexes, either by building, buying, or acquiring, and living in one of the units while renting out the others. The people who use this method are able to get around paying for rent themselves, but they can also decide to make an additional payment on their principal so their home is paid off faster, or save it in a TFSA or RSP, or invest in a wealth management company. Home hackers can use the money they save or refinance their property to improve upon the property with renovations and updates to attract top-tier renters. Many young people in big cities like Toronto or Vancouver would virtually never be able to afford a home because it's just too expensive these days for what little they make on their salaries every month. So while house hacking may not be the most necessary in a more affordable area like Sarnia Lambton, certain people could get a big boost from doing so. And you don't even necessarily need a multi-family property. Some home hackers don't care to move, so instead they finish their basement, adding a full bathroom, kitchenette, and bedrooms to rent out to people. This is a great way to both add value to your home through improvements and get your full mortgage payments, or at least a large portion of them, covered by someone else. This could also be true for renting out maybe just a room in your home, allowing your renters to share your space if that's something that you could tolerate. If you like the idea of house hacking, but don't want to give up any of your home space, you could consider building an additional dwelling unit or a secondary suite right on your property in the backyard. These are essentially detached granny suites, or granny pods is what they're popularly known as, that will usually be found in backyards. These will require adding electricity, plumbing, heating, because they're essentially just little tiny homes in your backyard. And they can be a great resale, as having a detached income generating unit or simply a guest suite can be really appreciated by buyers. If your interest is piqued, then listen up. Let's do a scenario for someone who is on the young side. So you're young, you're employed, and you would like to go the duplex or the triplex route. Start saving every chance you get. Cut out the stupid costs. Stop buying stupid shit of your life. Eat out less. Stop buying the $5 lattes. If you're living at home with your family, use this as an opportunity to save as much as you can for a down payment. And if the family is willing to help out, that's even better. Get pre-approved by a financial lender to see what your price range is. You can never do that part too early. Contact a realtor and let them know your intention. Then we'll start sending you relevant duplexes, triplexes, or even homes that are laid out well for renting. See as many properties as you can, then let's make an offer and find a right fit for you. Finding one that requires little to no renovations will mean you should be able to find tenants quickly after you take possession. From here, you can go find and screen tenants, or you can hire a realtor like myself who will help you fill the space. So that's a few ways on how you hack a home. If you'd like to become a home hacker but need a great property, give our team a call today, and remember to put Sean on your lot.